Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Moore and I am your instructor for English 102 this semester. So welcome to class. I've been really enjoying reading everybody's posts in the discussion within orientation. Keep in mind that I need you to finish orientation definitely by Wednesday, and then we will all be moving into Module 1 together. So this is a 16-week course, which is excellent. I teach this course also as 8 weeks and sometimes as 12 weeks, and a 16-week English 102 is great. You'll notice that it's a little rigorous up front. We're going to be doing a lot of reading, a lot of writing, a lot of communicating with each other, a lot of communicating with your classmates, but everything's kind of spaced out. So you have assignments due on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That doesn't necessarily mean that you could log in on a Wednesday and feel like you have successfully finished everything within that one day. In the syllabus, I do suggest that everybody log in. Aim for logging in every weekday just to see what's going on and to keep up on your work. And we have assignments in McGraw-Hill Connect, which is our textbook. Let me know if you have any trouble getting signed in there and paying for access to McGraw-Hill Connect. If you're waiting for financial aid to come through, if you sneak around in there and look up in a corner somewhere, you can get, I think, a 2-week trial, maybe a 1-week trial of McGraw-Hill Connect before they ask you to pay. But it is required for this course. I know that's annoying, but trust me, it's cheaper than a physical textbook would be, and it's more interactive. I think you'll like it. So this video, let's talk about what's happening here. In a face-to-face class, if you were taking English 102 on the GCC campus, you would have a certain number of hours where your butt was actually in a chair. Obviously, we don't have that for English 102 online. What you'll see, though, is that you have things that would be in-person instruction are now on your plate to make up that seat time. So you're going to be doing a lot of reading and using the textbook a lot to make up for that seat time. And another way that we create that seat time and create a classroom community is through these videos. Every week I will make a video for you and I'll post it in the announcements. For the first few weeks, I'll probably remind you through Canvas inbox that the video is there and ask you to go see it. But this is kind of part of your seat time too. If you were in an in-person English 102, your instructor would start the class with like 5 minutes of, hey, how's it going? How was your weekend? Here's what I saw on the paper you just turned in. Here's what's coming up in the next few weeks. That's kind of what you're going to get in these videos with me. So watch them. In these videos, I will offer you information that is specific to this class. I'm not making canned videos that I'm reusing each semester. This is for you. So that said, to encourage everybody to watch my videos, I'm going to offer a little bit of extra credit. So I was loving the discussion post today, and so many of you have the most adorable dogs. So I'll make sure to talk to you about my dogs in my videos. So I have 2 dogs. Today I'll talk to you about the littlest one. Her name is Betty, or Beatrice when she's in trouble. Seeing if she's on the couch somewhere thinking I'm talking to her. And she's a Chihuahua Corgi, so she's a really weird looking animal. And she was running down our street one day, and then the next day, and then the next day, and then we finally caught her, and now she's our dog. So that's a little tidbit from my life. What I want you to do is just shoot me a message using Canvas, the Canvas inbox, so not your Maricopa mail. If you email me at Maricopa Mail, it goes into everything, like a huge bin of information of like what's in the cafeteria or here's something from Human Resources. When you message me through Canvas, it's just you guys, and so I check that every day. But shoot me a message in Canvas inbox and just tell me the name of my smallest dog, which is Betty, and I will give you a few points of extra credit in your orientation. And then after this week, so this will be good probably through Sunday when I make a new video, then I will tell everybody that there was extra credit. So all the people who didn't watch the video will be like, oh man, I should have watched that video. So I'll do that periodically. Anyhow, I'm really excited to get to know you guys this semester. It's going to be a great class, and I've been teaching this for a while, so I know what I'm doing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let you all go, and I hope that you've had a great first day of school, and I will see you in Canvas. Bye.